Rheinzink snap lock bracket system. The Rheinzink snap lock bracket system shown here is a unique and innovative system which is quick and easy to install. You can install it on eaves with vertical fascia boards with alignment tolerances up to 7/8 of an inch. Start the installation by locating the highest point of the gutter. The installation height of the gutter should be such that the projected extension of the roof surface runs into the gutter. In heavy snowfall areas, it should be installed somewhat lower so that snow can slide over the gutter. Fasten the mounting rail with a slope of 1/8 to 3/8 of an inch per 10 feet. Mount the rail with its border leg at the bottom. Install adjacent rails with a gap of 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch between them to accommodate linear thermal expansion. Twist in the gutter brackets close to the screw locations at a maximum spacing of 3 feet on center. Rheinzink spherical end caps. When installing spherical end caps, first mark the location of the 3/8 of an inch overlap for the soldered joint on the inside surface of the gutter. After cutting away a portion of the rear water check, apply flux to the contact surfaces of the joint to be soldered. Rheinzink recommends ZD Pro Flux by Felder. It was made specifically to accommodate the properties of Rheinzink. Twist the end cap into place. The flux must be applied also to the top surface of the joint to be soldered. To make the soldering easier, first attach the end cap by tack soldering. Use a damp cloth to remove carbon and flux residue. Rheinzink gutter plug-in outlets. Use the Rheinzink gutter outlet template to prepare an opening for an outlet. First, mark the center position of the outlet. Locate the center of the outlet at the lowest point of the gutter. Align the center line of the template and the center mark of the outlet. Trace the circle on the template that matches the size of the gutter being installed. To prevent water from leaking out and running along the bottom of the gutter, create a small drip edge along the edge of the opening. Attaching the gutter is very easy. Simply snap the gutter bead onto the nose of the bracket and it will be firmly attached. Mounting Rheinzink half-round gutters. To ensure a proper solder joint, first apply flux to both contact surfaces of the overlapping area. If shortened gutter pieces are used, be sure to deburr cut edges before soldering. Connect the gutter pieces with an overlap of 3/8 to 5/8 of an inch and fasten the gutter to the snap lock brackets. Apply sufficient flux to the top surfaces of the joint to be soldered. The gap between the overlapping gutter sections must not exceed 0.02 inches. Therefore, constantly exert pressure while slowly drawing the soldering bit along the joint. The narrower you make the gap, the stronger the joint becomes. A proper solder joint is watertight and has the same strength as the Rheinzink gutter itself. Remove carbon and flux residue with a damp cloth afterwards. The gutter should be joined securely, and the solder should be visible on the backside throughout the entire length of the overlap. That's a sign of a properly soldered joint. Rheinzink miters. When soldering miters, follow the same procedure as when soldering gutter sections. Apply flux to all contact surfaces and to the top side of the joint to be soldered.